Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and we're going to continue to see the clouds and also the rain for the rest of this evening into the overnight hours, and then I'm in here. So here's a look at what's going on Futurecast, and the numbers are going to go down into the low 60s and upper 50s for tonight. Most spots I'm thinking an overnight low around 56. And then once we get into your Monday afternoon, we'll see a little bit of progress here. The clouds are going to hang tough. We'll get some peaks of sun. I'm thinking there's still going to be at least a chance of some spotty showers across the area. And then once we reach Monday night, or Monday evening, Monday night, we'll finally get some dry time. And it appears it's going to hold out for the majority of Tuesday and the first half of Wednesday. And then Wednesday late afternoon, early evening, that's when we'll see another change. Clouds return, and also the chance of seeing some rain is going to push in as well. So we'll get a small window of opportunity for some dry time, but not necessarily what we would like in order to catch up with spring cleaning and things like that. 57 degrees for tonight, mostly cloudy. Winds are going to be fairly light. For your day tomorrow, I'm going with 72, thinking clouds are going to be pretty thick. That'll make it tough to warm up, but it will be warmer than it was for your Sunday. That's some good news there. 70s stay consistent all throughout next week until, that is, we hit numbers back near 80 degrees. That ironically comes right after summer. So summer arrives on Friday, but it does look like we'll add to the collection of rainy weekends. Both Saturday and Sunday has a chance of rain, and that'll make it the 7th straight weekend in a row with some rainfall. Hey, thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Kevin for your Monday morning.